Hello everybody, it's me Rup Kumar and you are welcome to my channel Rup Digital Log. And today's video, Google Classroom Part 5. Actually this is my first video, but while arranging the different parts of Google Classroom, I have made it in Part 5. And while going through the class, Google Classroom Part 1 to Part 4, you have learned a lot of ideas how to create classes and how to create assignments, how to assign the students, and how the students also can submit their homework in the different ways. And in this video, you are going to learn how to submit your written work, which you have written in copy, how to take photographs of them and submit to the teachers. That you are going to learn today. And till today, you have supported me a lot, and certainly I want to thank you very, very much for your lots of support, for sharing, for subscribing my video. And today's lesson also, let's get it started. Suppose you are a student of class 8 and you have to submit your written work to your class teacher or your subject teacher. And how do you do it? Now I am sharing this screen of Vivo mobile, and at the bottom of it you can see one icon, classroom. First of all, you click on that classroom icon. Now this class 8 tab you can see on the screen. You click on that also. Then you will see here stream, classwork and people. There are three buttons: stream, classwork and people. Stream button is used for reading and writing the comments. You can write and you can read from others, and you can also see the assignments from here, but especially we use classwork to receive and to submit the assignments. And here we can see there are two topics in a large fonts: education for all, science and technology. These two are main topics. Inside them there are homeworks, there are assignments, and inside this education for all we can see there is one assignment, English assignment 3, that is highlighted one. That means you have to submit this work. So you click on this one, and before submission you see what are the instructions written here. Instructions, this is from English subject, and there are two instructions, there are 2 points. Number 1 says, watch the given video and write an essay about modern lifestyle. It means your subject teacher has given you one video. You have to watch that video. That should be about modern lifestyle, and you write an essay about that. Number 2, then submit me photos of your written work. It says then you have to submit photos of written work. Okay, then how do you do? That's the question. Suppose you have already written your essay. You have watched the video and you have written essay. Now this is the time to submit your work, your written work. And to submit your work, you see here screen is divided here. Your screen is divided by one slider, by one divider at the bottom. You can press and you can slide like this. You can slide this way. Now I am sliding it to the top, and you can see there is one button, add attachment, and you should click on this add attachment button. Just you click on that one. Then you will see many options are there. How you want to attach. If you have uploaded your work in Google Drive, and you want to share that drive, you can use drive or link or file or take photo, record video. About this, all the options we will talk in other videos, but today I am just telling you how you submit your work by taking photo. So you click on this take photo, and now you can see your camera is now activated. Now your camera is working now. You take one photo and then you click on this confirm option here, and your work should be seen above that add attachment button. Above that add attachment button, your work should be displayed. Then after, you should click on turn in button. Now I'm waiting. Now it is uploading that taken photograph. Sometimes it takes a time because it depends upon your network. Now it's taking. Yes, now you can see written there your work English assignment 3, and there is one date and .jpeg written there. That is your work. Now click on this turn in button. You can see here green turn in button. You click on that turn in and it will ask you to confirm. Again you click on this turn in button one more time. 2 times you have to press that turn in. Now work submitted notification has been displayed. Work submitted. Okay, this way you can submit your work. And sometimes if you have to unsubmit, if you have to take back your work, then you can click on this unsubmit. Then again that comes. Then you will get your work back. Okay. Once again I show you from another mobile. This is Samsung Galaxy J6, and here we can see classroom option, classroom icon, and this is a class 8, and here also all the same you can see. And here at the top you can see new assignment, English assignment 3. Click on that one. All the same. Here also you can see the screen is divided by one slider. You can slide like this. Now I did this one. I click on the add attachment. This is also same. I click on here take photo, and now I can click on this. I can take a one photograph. Now it is asking to click on OK. I did OK. In previous mobile that was asking confirm, but here it is asking OK. Now it is uploading that taken photo. It may take a few time. Yes, it did. And in that Vivo mobile that was asking turn in, but now this one is asking hand in, same. Okay, turn in or hand in, same. You click on hand in option. Again one more time you click on this hand in. This way in some mobile that can ask turn in, or in some mobile that can ask hand in option. And now your work has been submitted, and here also you can see on submit. Now another method how you submit or how can you attach your work. Suppose you have already taken photographs. If you have already taken photographs of your work, then how you attach them? You click on the classroom, click on this class, and which one you want to submit. Suppose English assignment 1, and here your work, click on this add attachment. Till now I had shown you how to take photo, but now I am going to use this file option because I have already taken photos. So I click on this file option, and after this after I click on that file option, now it displays here from where you want to upload your photos. From images suppose, or from video, from audio, from drive, or from where you want to attach your photo. It comes in image, then you click on this image. And if this is your work, second one, then or first one, which one is your work? Then you click on that one. I am selecting this one. Now it will upload. See, now hand in. Again press hand in. In this way, I did this another method by using file option. Not the take photo option, but I used file option. In this way, from file you can directly attach your file if you have already taken photographs. Now your work has been submitted. This is also one way of submitting your work. Okay, now if you are desktop or laptop user, then how can you submit? Till now you have seen how to submit by using your mobile phone, but if you are using laptop or desktop computer, then this way you can submit your work. First of all, you get inside in your classroom as usual. You click on this and then you go to your classroom. Already you know how to get inside the classroom. You click on the classroom. Now I'm getting in my classroom. This is my classroom, class 8. Now there are three options given: stream, classwork, people, and I click on this classwork and I see which one, and here it comes track your progress. This is actually one, it is a type of notification to get help. It supports you how to use your application. So just you click on this, got it. And now for example, I have to submit this work, assignment 2, then I click on this one and I can see the assignments here. What are the assignments? And watch the given videos and write an essay about modern education system. Then submit me photographs of your written work. I can see here like this, and I can click on this view assignment. All the same. Now I suppose I have already seen my homework and then I have already written in my copy. Now this is the time to submit my copy, uh, my written work to my teacher. Then how can I submit? Then first of all, I'll take photographs. First of all, I'll take photos of my copy. Then I'll click on this add or create button and I click on here file option. There is no take photo option here. I click on file option. File option. Now I have to choose. I have to select from where I want to upload my picture. So I have to click on this select files from your device. I clicked on this. This is my work. If it is my work picture, I click on open. Then after I should click on this upload button, and now it is uploading my work. See, it has been uploaded. Now I just click on this turn in, and one more time I have to click on this turn in. See, now my work has been submitted to teachers. Now I can see here on submit button. If I want to get back my work and I have to edit, then that time I can click on this on submit. Otherwise, I have already submitted my homework, my assignment, taking photographs to my teacher. In this way, we can submit our homeworks, our assignments by taking the photographs. Uh, Assignments especially which we have done in our copy, in our note copy, then we can submit our work like this. Because if we write our work in our copy, then certainly it makes you a good practice, and for writing the work, that's why it is good to write in copy, and we can submit them by using this type of method. Thank you very much. I hope this video is very helpful for you. It can support you, and then thank you very much for watching my video.